Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Earth Day Live series. Today I'm going to show you an activity you can do to teach your kids about marine debris. Marine debris is trash that ends up in our waterways, so our rivers and our oceans. And this activity, you are going to be a sea turtle, and it's going to show how hard it is for marine animals to identify the difference between what is actually their food and what is plastic. So what you need is an ocean. This is the ocean that I made. So it's just yogurt with blue food coloring. You can use yogurt or pudding, whatever you'd like. And then usually I use gummy bears and cut up gummy worms for this because sea turtles love to eat jellyfish. So they look a little bit more like jellyfish. But since we shouldn't be going to the store for extra things, I'm using what I have in my house. So these M&M eggs are real turtle food. And then this color is the plastic. So what you do is you pour those in and you mix them into the ocean. And then who's ever trying to be the turtle will have 30 seconds to try to get as much food as they can out of here. So just do this. All right, and then we have to see if we ate plastic or if it was real food. So we have two real foods, one piece of plastic, 2 pieces of plastic. So we're about 50-50 there. So then you're gonna put these back in and mix them in your ocean. And then what happens to plastic as it breaks down is it gets smaller and smaller and it actually doesn't disappear. So our sprinkles are going to represent those microplastics that are floating at all levels in our ocean column. So if we put some of these in here and mix it in our ocean, now we need to try to get real turtle food without any of the microplastics. So you're gonna give your kids or whoever's doing the activity 30 more seconds on the clock. And you're gonna try to get just the food without the plastic. So as you can see, this is much slower going, and we already have some microplastics out on the table. So this kind of demonstrates how hard it is for animals to know the difference between what their food is and what is trash. And the issues with the microplastics is that they're so small that they end up getting ingested while animals are eating their food, or even the food that they're eating already has the microplastics inside. So we're seeing an increase in the amount of plastics that we're finding in the stomachs of different animals that live in the water. So sea turtles, for example, sometimes when they come in to the rescue facilities, they're just full of these plastics because plastic bags look exactly like jellyfish when they're out there trying to find food. So this is a good demonstration you can do to kind of show those issues with marine debris in our waterways. So you can do it a little bit healthier if you want, not using candy, but maybe some cereal that looks similar, and your microplastics could be like granola or something, but it's a fun little activity to demonstrate our marine debris. So for today, we have another trivia question to end our Earth Day Live. Today's question is, name 3 of the 8 most abundant greenhouse gases. So you guys can post those in your comments. I hope that you're still working on your Earth Day challenges. If you haven't made one yet, you can post one. Let us know what you're doing. For Earth Day, and we will see you Monday at 11 a.m.